sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, check us out on Facebook, and you can set up your free one-on-one consultation with one of our coaches. QAAcademy.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Java basic syntax. Before starting a programming, it is very important to understand the syntax and the different criteria of the useful thing that we can use in Java. So in today's session, we are going to learn about basic syntax, what is an identifier, and what is a keyword. In next session, we will continue this basic syntax and we'll cover about syntax for variables, what is a code blocks, how we can write a comments, and a simple basic example for the same. Okay, let's start with the introduction. Yeah. Uh, it is important to keep in mind like Java is case sensitive. That is, if you write a name with a capital M and a name with a small n, both are treated as different things. If either they are in a variable, either they are a class name, both are the different. It's a very case sensitive, so you have to be careful when you are writing any of a variable name or a class name, right? Second thing is a class name should start with the capital letters only, and that is the ideal or syntax that we need to follow. Any class name you write, it should be on a capitalized letter. On the other hand, a method name should start with the lowercase. Any method you write for your the behavior that your class can provide, it should be start with a lowercase. A file name should be the same as in a class name. Like say suppose in a file, if you are writing or declaring any class of say class name or a class student, right? And then when you are going to save the class, you have to save that file by the name is student.java. The extension for the file it's a .java whenever you are writing any class. The other point to keep in mind is like when you are writing any of a method with multiple word adjoints, then in that case you have to write in a camel case. That is, a method start with a lowercase, and when there is a new word is new breaking point is that you have to write in a capital letter. Say like a first name. In that case, a first F is a small, then a name N is a capital, like that. Okay. Now, what is an identifier in a Java? Identifier is the name of an element in a code, and that name referred throughout the program, throughout the application. And identifier in a Java is also case sensitive. And identifier is mainly used to refer that particular value you assign, and that is used for memory location tracing. Like if you are say example integer I is equal to 5, right? Then I is identifier, and that I is having the value of 5, and that value of 5 is referring to any of a memory location. So when you are printing a I, then 5 is going to print like that. Some of the rules for identifiers like identifier can contain any Unicode characters, that is a letter, digit, etc., a currency sign, or a punctuation letters, which is the underscore. Things to note here is like identifier cannot start with a digit. Identifier cannot start with the digit. You can start with the dollar sign or underscore sign, but not with a digit. Be equal to a reserved keyword and null literals or boolean literals. The identifier can't be used as an reserved keywords. Java has some predefined set of a reserved keyword. We will going to have a look in short time. Okay. Now, what is a keyword? Keyword is a Java reserved identifier. We can say Java reserved word that is have predefined meaning for its own. When a compiler encountered any of predefined words or keywords, they have some special logic behind that. So they are treating some different ways. And because of this, a programmers cannot use a keyword as a variable, method, class, or any kind of identifiers. So which are the keywords? Here's the list of keywords available, which is abstract, characters, yeah, abstract, boolean, break, byte, case, catch, do, float. These are the complete list of keywords that we can't use as an identifiers for our programming. Say like a boolean it is an, creating a boolean variable. We can't use this boolean as a variable name or a class name. Same way for like a class is a keyword. Whenever a compiler came to know about a class, it has some special meaning and it treated the below block of code as a complete class, right? Yeah, that's it from our current session. We will take a look about a variable code block on the next session. Thank you for watching.